What's the deal, YouTube? It's SRT Show, and I'm back with another POV drop. Today I'm about to give y'all hard pulls in my fucking Scat today, no cap. Y'all can see I put some gas in this bitch, you know. Just $20, ain't nothing crazy. Let me show y'all the whip real quick, though. Whip looking crazy as hell. Like yesterday, this bitch looking too crazy, no cap. The angles though. And I finally cleaned my fucking rims, so these bitches been dirty for like 3 weeks now, no cap. All that fucking buildup of brake dust. I'm gonna show you the other side too. Just real quick, you know, nothing crazy. But I'm gonna get back to y'all POV style. Alright, but nah, we back from getting gas. Shit, let's start this bitch. I think I was at like 30 miles to empty, so let's see, where did that put me to? Oh, 87, that didn't put me nowhere. Alright, but nah, you know, I'm gonna put this bitch in sport today. Let's get going, man, shit. Dog got this big ass Bobcat in front of me. No cap, it might be time for some new tires though. Like shit, I'm over here sliding like crazy. Like I cannot get traction at all.
A few moments later.
Alright, we back. That fucking Bobcat, bro. That shit was like fucking going slow as hell. Shit. Alright, let me get these pulls in though. I don't never drive in sport mode. Can I turn this way? I'm about to turn this way. Fuck it. Bro, how do I always end up behind some slow ass cars, man? Shit. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Mailbox across the street. Bro, I just don't want to get stuck behind no more cars, man. Which way should I go? Fuck. This is a hard decision. This is a very hard decision. No cap. No cap, no cap, no cap. I'm about to just go this way. Fuck it. Oh shit, there go them boys right there. Damn. Let me get the fuck on. Peacefully, get the fuck on. Peacefully. Alright, finally, no more fucking traffic. Damn. That was a nice pull right there. I just caught myself from saying the S word, bro. I gotta stop cussing. I really gotta stop cussing though, for real. I gotta stop. I'm gonna start saying like, nice, you know? I'm gonna start saying that. I cannot keep saying shit. Bendies. Lethal upshifts. Bro, this road is so small. I feel like I'm about to scrape my wide body. Damn. I'm about to give bro a little bit of room, man. I need some more room for a pull, bro. I'm supposed to be giving y'all hard pulls, not soft pulls, bro. Dang. See, this is why I record on Sundays. Like, it just be too busy, even though it's not busy. Like, oh shit, potholes, 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 potholes. Okay, I was saying like, yeah, it just be busy. Like, bro, it'd be hard to record and drive the way I want to in GTA, because this is all simulated. It'd be like hard to, because like, bro, look at this. This man been in front of me for like 5 minutes now. Finally, he's turning, he's turning, he's turning. It's a green light, bro. Oh, you know what? Let me calm down, let me calm down, let me calm down. Oh, pedestrian, let me slow down, pedestrian. Or y'all ever get scared? Like, it's like a cop around, so y'all just like spam upshift until y'all like in the highest gear? Man, I be doing that shit all the time. Like, whenever it's like a cop around or something, I just be like, upshift, upshift, upshift. I just be spamming it like this. But don't do that when your car is like decelerating. Don't do that. I just did that, and it, you know, that ain't good for your car. No cap. Have to give y'all that tunnel action. Okay. Bro, it's so busy today. It's so hard to give y'all hard pulls. Bro, that wine. Bro, my RT had low-key, like, had like a slight whine to it too. Man, make sure y'all hit that sub button though, man. I'm at the end of the video here because, you know, I'm in front of this big ass truck. Make sure y'all sub, follow me on Instagram, srt.show. Like the video. Other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.